Hello children, in continuation of string function questions, today I am going to tell you a question which is very helpful, and plenty of questions related to this particular concept will come in the examination, and there can be plenty of methods to solve this problem, but the method which I am going to tell you, you have to follow this one. And the concept is that how can we extract a word from a given sentence? This is the question of which I am going to tell you the concept. Generally, I give you the question and I told you to find out the concept of those questions. But today I am telling you the concept also of a question. The question is that we have a sentence and we want to extract the words from this sentence. Now, in this question, how can you say that Ram and Ghosh are two separate words? Just because of this space. This space is a separator which separates two words, Ram and Ghosh, and makes them two different words. So Ram, Ghosh, then space two, then space school. So concept is this, that in a sentence all words are separated by space, and we consider that every word is being separated by one space. In Java, in 10th class, we are considering that all the words are being separated by one space only. Now what we'll do here, we'll pick every character and we will keep on adding these characters until we get the space. We'll pick R, it is not a space, we'll add. We'll pick A, it is not a space, we'll add RA. M, it is not a space, RAM. As soon as we'll get space, till now what we were doing the adding, as soon as we'll get the space, we'll have one word in the accumulator where we have added, our one word is complete. Again, we'll make this word empty, we'll pick the next character, we'll add. Next character, we'll add. Next character, we'll add, because it is not a space. Next character, it is not a space, we'll add. As soon as we'll get the space, till now whatever words, characters we have added will make a word. Then we'll move further. This is the concept which we are going to adopt. How will we do that? This is the sentence which we have entered. Now, finding out its length. Char ch, a character we have declared. We are going to run a loop. We are going to pick a character every time. What I told you, every time we are picking a character. If the character equals to space, if the character is space, then we'll do whatever we want. Else, if the character is not a space, W is equal to W plus CH. We'll declare W here as double quotes. This is how we declare or initialize the string accumulator. Now what I am doing here is, suppose the first character I am picking is R. R is not space. W is equal to W plus CH. We have added the R in W. W will contain R. The next character will be picked A as per the example. A is again not space. W is equal to W plus R CH, that is RA. Next character is M. M is again not space. W else में आएगा. W is equal to W plus CH, RA plus M, RAM. Next character when we will pick, it is going to be space. As soon as we get the space, this W will contain the word. You have created a word, you have accumulated the characters, and as soon as you get the space, Before that, whatever character you were adding will make a word. Now you have to print a word. The question which I am doing is in your assignment, that if we have a sentence, print all the words in a separate line. So in this we are extracting the words. The logic which I am telling you, to extract the word, then only you will print the word. So I am printing here system.out.println W. Now what it will do? It will print Ram. Now Ram you have printed. Every character is speaking. If it is not a space, then you are adding. If it is space, then till now whatever characters you have added will make a word. You will print it. Now after that you will go up again, and you will pick G. G is not a space. W is equal to W plus G. But you don't forget that in W already the Ram was there. So it will become Ram G. So you don't want to do that. You want to rub this Ram and you want to make a new word. So every time when you get the space and whatever you want to do with the word, you have done it, then again initialize W as double quotes, so that the old word will get rubbed off. In this case, first character R you have picked, you have added because it is not a space. Then R, A you have picked it, A was not a space, you have added it. M you have picked it is not a space, added it. Then you got the space. As soon as you get this space, W contains Ram, you have printed Ram, you have emptied the W. Now W contains nothing. Next character you will pick the G. G is not a space, G will be added. O you will pick, O is not a space, O will be added. E you will pick, E is not a space, E will be added. S you will pick, S is not a space, S will be added. Now, then again this space you will get, As soon as this space you will get, you contain goes in W, you will print it. And again you will empty the W. The same thing you will keep on doing for Ram, for goes, for to. Now see the last word. Every word you have printed. Ram you have printed, goes you have printed, school to you have printed. Now see this case of school. S is not a space, added. C is not a space, added. H you have picked up, it is not a space, added. O you have picked up, not a space, added. O again you have picked up, not a space, added. L you have picked up, not space, added. Then the loop is over because the sentence is finished. Computer will come out. So this loop has printed because this condition was not executed this time in the case of last word, because after L there is no space. So the sentence is over. W contains school. So either you have to print this W here, system.out.println. So W will be, the last word will be printed out with this W, because W contains school, last word. But if you want to do it inside the loop only, then one more concept you have to put in, that you add space in the end of the string. If you want to do the last word also in the same logic, same way, then what logic you have put in, you have added a space from your side. If you want to pick the last word and you want to do the same thing as you have done for the other words, otherwise you can print all rest of the words will be printed out using this concept, and for the last word the W contains the last word, after the loop print W. But if you want to do the same for the last word also, then what you have to do, you have to put the space in the end. Now in this case, as all the words got space in the end, Ram got this space in the end, goes got this space, to got this space in the end. Now school will also get a extra space which you have added here in the end. And as you get the space SCHOOL and you get the space in the end, school will be printed out using the same logic. And this is the concept by which you can extract the words from a given sentence, and whatever you want to do, you can do it. This concept is very important. Write down this concept, understand this concept again and again, and if you have any problem you can ask me. And from next week I'll try to take the Zoom classes of A and B. B and C I'll combine, and A I'll take the class some other time, like morning 8 to 9, and 10th and B and C I'll take at the time of class. So prepared for that. I'll do it in the next week, and you just go through this concept which I have explained you. Listen the video again and again, and then you will be able to understand the logic. And if you have any query and problem, you can discuss it with me. Thank you.